Hey friends, as you can see, today my hair is a total mess. Dirty is kind of oily. I'm not even trying to brush it out because I look frizzy. So I decided to make a messy bun. I'm not wasting your time. Let's jump in. I leave my parting as it is and bangs in the front like I'm showing, and then gathering all my hair into a middle ponytail. You want to tie it with a clear elastic to make sure it will stay in place. I decided to double them just in case. On last time, I'm tying my hair halfway through, then grabbing the ends, dividing into two, bring my hair a little bit up and make an opening. Through this ponytail will bring our bun up, and we want to pinch and pull to make it full and voluminous. You can leave the ends out if your hair maybe is shorter than mine or you like this look. I decided to bring my fingers through the elastic and bring the ends through it and pull it a bit to cover our elastic. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed today's messy bun. Subscribe and like this video. Love you so much and see you soon. Bye!